Hey, tell me about the engine.
The C7 Caterpillar engine is a diesel engine commonly used in medium to heavy-duty trucks and equipment. It's known for its reliability and durability.
What is the air compressor used for in the diesel C7 engine?
In the C7 Caterpillar engine, the air compressor is used to supply compressed air for the air brake system and other pneumatic accessories on vehicles or equipment.
What is the most expensive part of the engine?
For the C7 Caterpillar engine, the most expensive parts are typically the turbocharger or the cylinder head. Prices can vary based on the engine's condition.
What is the most expensive part of the engine?